Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down the basics so your light actually helps the image. First, set color temperature to match ambient light, 5600K for daylight or 3200K for tungsten. Once done, position your key light at about a 45 degrees angle and slightly above eye level to sculpt the face. Make sure camera exposure is balanced. Keep ISO low and use aperture to control depth of field. Now add a dimmer or diffuser. Once the key is established, you shape the scene. Add a fill light that's typically 1/2:1, stop lower than the key to soften shadows without flattening the face. Then place a back or rim light to separate the subject from the background. Aim for subtle edge highlights rather than overpowering glow. Use flags and grids to control spill, and diffusion or reflectors to soften and bounce light. Make sure to check for unwanted color casts and adjust gels or white balance accordingly. You finish by verifying the shot and solving problems fast. Check the histogram and zebras to avoid clipping highlights, and preview motion to ensure lights don't flicker or shift color. If skin tones look off, add CTO or CTB gels to match sources, and use negative fill to deepen shadows if the image is too flat. Make sure to lock light stands and cable runs. If something still looks wrong, switch one light off to isolate the issue and rebalance from there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.